Hello teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So in the last video, I told you that how to create the team, how to add the members, as well as how to create the channels for your team. So today I'm going to tell you how you can conduct the online session. So let's start. You have to open your team app. Okay. So in that, teams will be shown to you. You have to select the team for which you are going to conduct the online session. My team is 9C. I'm going to select this. Then you can see these are the channels available for your team. Okay, because I have already created, so it is available here. So for the online session, you have to click on the calendar tab. Then you have to click here. You can see this is the work week calendar. You can change also week, work week, day. So if I choose week, then it will show me this Saturday and Sunday also. So from here you can navigate the calendar. Here you have to select the date. Okay, so let's say I'm going to create this session on 23. So you have to select this date from here. Then say let's say Saturday. Now you see this is the time slot. You can see 3 in between, half an hour gap is there, 2 to 33. So 23 I'm going to conduct, let's say in the morning, say let's say 9. Double click. You have to double click there. So now you see, say let's say class 9, say maths. Okay. Now here you can see this is your start time is 9 AM, then this is the end time. By default it is half an hour session. If you want to customize this, you can also say I want, let it be 9:40 end. So I just select, press enter. You can see now it is converted to 40 minutes. You can choose this if it is for all day, otherwise disable this. Okay, now it is for daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can customize also. Okay, you want to take for the alternate days and all that, so you can schedule in that way. Say day, then as a week or month, whatever you want to select. So you can select date and Tuesday in that way. Otherwise you can select day. Here you can select date, say 24, 26. So in that way you can choose that, but I'm not going to customize, so I'm going to cancel this. So I just schedule for one day, so I'm not going to repeat this. It does not repeat. Okay, so now you can choose every weekday, Monday to Friday. It's your wish, whatever the schedule you want to choose from here. Then after that, if you see, this is called add channel. You can see the team names also here, but I want to schedule this for the mathematics only. So here you can type the channel name. Say I'm going to type MATHE. Now you see I just type math, so immediately it's shown me class 9C mathematics. That means class 9C is my team and mathematics is the channel under that. So I'm going to select this. Okay, so now say I'm going to write here hello. Say by mistake cursor has been there. Hello students, click the link below to join the session on team app. Okay, so automatically link will come below here. So you see, if I choose this, the message will go to this channel only. Okay, whatever the members under this mathematics channel, the message will go to them, but I'm not going to send because it will go otherwise. So you can add here, means you no need to add the personal email address. No, member is already available in that channel, you have to select the channel only, and it automatically separate to the student those are under in that channel. Okay, now you can select the channel here, and here you can select the, suppose if you want to add someone from outside. So I'm going to fill my email ID. So after writing this when invite Pravinder, this option will come, you have to select that. Now you see I can add more email ID if I want to invite someone from outside. Okay, so here is an easy work. Means earlier what we are doing, we are filling the email address and we are inviting to the person for this session. Now you just choose the channel only, automatically the join link will go to their email IDs. Okay, so but I'm not going to choose this because otherwise it will go to their email IDs, because right now it is just for demo, so I'm not going to choose. How to choose I already shown you. Once again I'm telling you, say this is for mathematics, so you just choose this class 9C. So mathematics is the name of the channel, you have to click here and it will select it. So if I click on send, then it will go to the whole channel, but I don't want to do this and I want for this only. So just let it schedule. Now you have to click on send. So now you see it is scheduled. See, class 9 maths. Okay, so it is scheduled. Teachers, one thing you have to do that is mandatory for you. After creating this session, you have to think about security point of view also. Means when this is ready in your calendar, you have to double click again. You have to open this. Then you will get this meeting options. Earlier there was no option. After schedule, you have to come back from the calendar. As I come back here, you will get this meeting option. You have to click here. You will get a new tab here, and if you are operating in the desktop app, then also it will take you to the browser automatically. Who can bypass the lobby? There should be people in my organization. Make sure this or must be selected. Keep people in my organization. Okay, always let callers bypass the lobby. It should be no. Okay, always let callers bypass the lobby. No, it is always no. Announce when callers join or leave. Means if somebody leave the class or somebody join the class, by default it's a text sign is there, so that will be there. So let it that be. This is the most important. Who can present? Not everyone, only me. Because if I am the organizer, so that means I am only to make the organize for this. So that should be only me. Click on save. Okay, then done. It is already done. Now you can close this tab. So now you see our session is already scheduled. Okay. Now I just show you whether the invitation came to my personal ID or not. Let me open my email ID so that I can show you the invitation, how the invitation look like. So I'm going to open my Gmail ID. So it is getting opened. Now you see class 9 maths. I just open this. So you see, hello student, click the link below to join this session on Team App. You see, this is the link below. When I'm going to click, so it will switch to my this join conversation. Otherwise, if you have team app, then it will switch to the team app. So now they're asking me, Ki, you want team apps or you want team app? Let it be team app is already there. So I'm going to open link. So you can join team or you can use team on Microsoft Edge or download the app. If it is an app, so it will go to the app on the student end also. If you don't have the app, so this is my app which is currently I am using, not with the Microsoft account, with others, so it take to me there only. So now the time is there, so that's why you will not get the option, but when the time is near you will get the join option here and you are able to join the session. Okay, so I hope this how to conduct this is clear to you. This is one way which I told you. The second way is very simple. The second way is very simple to conduct the online session. It's very easy. Suppose a timetable is already given to the students. So you just suppose 10 o'clock you have the Punjabi class. So just select this channel. Then here you have to click this option. This is called Meet Now. You have to click over here. Then you will get this option. When you click on Meet Now, then the call will be made to the students. So you see call is there. Now automatically they will get the join option in their end, so they can directly come to join the session. So this is also the